Hello, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we are going to learn how to name the basic shapes in Bahasa Sūg. Our source is the English Bahasa Sūg Dictionary by Dr. Bench Bangahan, published by Vibal Publishing Group in 2015. Let's go! First is the word bantuk or parbantukan, hantang para hantangan, jantang para jantangan, or dagbus, dagbus. Moving on to our first shape, lunggi, lunggi. In English, triangle, or turugo, turugo. When using as an adjective, we say lunggiun, lunggiun, or lalilunggi, lalilunggi, or lumungi, lungi. In English, triangular. An example, inbantok sinlupo nila lunggiun, inbantok sinlupo nila lunggiun. The form or shape of the field is triangular. Lunggi. Next, we have pasagi, pasagi, pasagi. In English, square. When using as an adjective, we say pasariun, pasariun, pasariun. An example, in maghihinang bay, maglari hambok pasari kahoy. In maghihinang bay, maglari hambok pasari kahoy. The carpenter needs a square of wood. Another example, in bilik niya pasariun in hantang. In bilik niya pasariun in hantang. Her room has a square form. Pasari. Then we have mustatil, mustatil, mustatil. In English, rectangle. When using as an adjective, we say mustatilun, mustatilun. An example, itungan in kataan lawang mustatilun in hantang. Itungan in kataan lawang mustatilun in hantang. Almost all doors are rectangular in form. Mustatil. Next, we have bingloon, bingloon, bingloon. In English, diamond shape. We can also say lamuddoon, lamuddoon, lamuddoon. An example, hantang lamod doon inyaon, or hantang bingloon inyaon. That is a diamond shape. Bingloon. Next we have ligung, ligung, ligung. In English, circle, or ligungan, or lingkung, or lingkungan. An example, inpakal kura hambok lingkong malagko. Inpakal kura hambok lingkong malagko. The horse stable is a big circle. Ligung. And last we have tibulung, tibulung, tibulung. In English, round or spherical. An example, tibulung in bola, tibulung in bola. The ball is round. Tibulung. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like or leave a comment below. If you have suggestions, please subscribe for more videos and follow our social media sites at Tausug 101, both on Facebook and Instagram. You can also support us by visiting coffee.com/Tausug101. Magsukul.